Hello all, welcome to my channel Revathi in Kitchen. Jadoh is Meghalaya's traditional dish of Khasi tribes. In Khasi language, Ja means rice and Do means meat. Jadoh can be called Meghalaya's very own biryani, but spices are kept very minimum and it does not use much oil. In traditional Jadoh recipe, local red rice from Meghalaya and pork is used. In the original recipe, the color rich brown is achieved by cooking the pork blood and rice together. But today I am going to prepare a vegetarian Jadoh. So let's get started. First we'll have a quick look at the list of ingredients. Quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder, 7 to 8 garlic cloves, a small cup of mint leaves, a medium size onion, few spices, bay leaf, cinnamon, cardamom, jeera, and a small bowl of coriander leaves, 1 cup of vegetables chopped, carrot, beans, potato, 2 tablespoons of ghee, 4 to 5 green chilies, a small piece ginger chopped, 1 bowl of basmati rice. First take the basmati rice in a bowl, wash it thoroughly with running water and add some water and soak it for around 30 minutes. So we'll keep it aside. Now in a mixer jar, add the mint leaves, ginger, garlic, green chili, grind them to a fine paste and keep it aside. Now heat ghee in a pressure cooker and add all the spices and saute it well. Now once it is done, we'll add the onions and saute it until the onions are translucent. Now you can see that the onions are being cooked. We'll add the masala paste and saute it well, and also we'll add the turmeric powder and cook it until the raw smell of the masala vanishes. Now in this stage we can add the chopped carrot, beans and potatoes. Mix them all and saute it well. You can add some water and cook them until the vegetables are cooked. Now you can see that the vegetables are soft. Now in this stage we'll add water. For 1 cup of basmati rice, we can add around 1.5 cups of water. Since we have soaked it for 30 minutes, add salt and boil it. Now drain the water from the rice and add them to the boiling water and stir it well and cook them. Now in this stage, we'll close the cooker and cook them in low flame for around 10 to 15 minutes. Until all the water is completely absorbed. Now after 15 minutes, you can see that the water is completely absorbed and Jadoh is ready. You can garnish it with coriander leaves and you can serve it with raita. It's a very tasty and yummy recipe with very mild spices. Friends, try this recipe and comment me in the comment section. Thank you all for watching this video.